let's be real for a second. You've got the hang of AI for the little things, right? You know, firing off a quick email, coming up with dinner ideas, that kind of stuff. But the second you try to build something big, something that takes more than just a couple of messages, it just falls apart. Well, today, we are gonna fix that for good. You know the feeling, right? You're maybe 5, 10 messages deep into a project, and all of a sudden the AI just gets, well, dumb. It forgets what you guys just talked about, starts spitting out old ideas, and that brilliant assistant you had at the beginning, yeah, it's now a useless chatbot. So you're thinking, okay, today is the day. I'm gonna start that blog I've always wanted. You spend all this time hammering out the niche, the tone, your first few posts, and then you ask it for an outline, and it suggests topics you literally just told it to avoid. So frustrating, right? Or, hey, maybe you're trying to write a story, one chapter at a time. It's all going great, your main character is awesome, their backstory is solid, and then halfway through, the AI completely forgets their eye color. Or worse, a major plot point from chapter 1. The whole thing just unravels. Even for something super practical, like planning a budget, you're crystal clear. The absolute max budget for this home reno is 3 million yen. A few messages later, it's suggesting countertops that cost $500,000. It's like, hello, it totally forgot the single most important rule. And that's when you quit. You just figure, well, I guess AI isn't ready for big projects. But here's the secret. It is ready. You're just not steering it the right way. It's not a magic crystal ball, you know? It's a tool. And today, I'm gonna show you how to use it like a pro. Okay, so let's get into it. To fix this whole mess, you've got to understand why it's even happening. And it all comes down to what I like to call the tiny brain problem. So the techie term for it is the context window, but honestly, forget that. Just picture a small whiteboard. That whiteboard is the AI's entire short-term memory. Everything you type and everything it types back, it all gets written on this tiny little board. And as you can probably guess, that thing fills up fast. So think about it. At the very start of a chat, the whiteboard is totally clean. Your first instructions are written down big and clear. But as the conversation goes on, more and more stuff gets scribbled on there. Pretty soon, those first notes get pushed to the side, they get fuzzy, and eventually, they get wiped off completely to make room. And that's the exact moment the AI loses context, and its answers start getting super generic and totally off track. And this explains all those fails we were just talking about. The character's eye color changes because the original description got erased from the whiteboard. The budget gets ignored for the exact same reason. The AI isn't being difficult on purpose. It literally can't see the instructions you gave it 20 messages ago. So the real problem is trying to have one giant, endless, messy chat. You're basically fighting against the AI's tiny whiteboard. The solution? Short, focused sprints. You give it a fresh, clean whiteboard for each step, and you use summaries to remind it of only what's important. You stay in control, and it stays sharp. I call this the project sprint method. And I'm not kidding, it feels like a cheat code. Once you start doing this, you will never go back to those long, painful chats ever again. It works for writing, planning, coding, pretty much anything you can throw at it. The whole routine is dead simple. First, and this is non-negotiable, you always start a fresh chat for a new sprint. Then you give it the big picture goal, but you immediately tell it to tackle just one step at a time. After each step, you get a summary. Think of this summary as your project's save point. And if a chat ever gets too long or confusing, you just start a new one. Use that summary, and the AI is back up to speed instantly. And here it is. This is the key. This is the master prompt. You can literally just copy and paste this thing to start any project you want. All you do is fill in your topic. This prompt turns the AI from some flaky, random idea generator into a focused, organized project assistant that actually follows your lead. It's a game changer. All right, theory's cool and all, but let's actually see this thing in action. We're gonna do a super quick demo right now and build the foundation for a blog from scratch. Okay, so step 1, new chat. I'm just pasting in that master prompt, and for the topic, I've popped in starting a hiking blog about Tokyo's suburbs. Let's hit enter and see what it does. And look at that! Instantly,
Instead of just dumping a bunch of random ideas on me, it's asking smart questions. This is huge. Our prompt turned it into a real assistant. It's gathering the info it needs to do a good job. So let's say our audience is families and the niche is easy day trips.
Now, based on the plan it suggested, I'm telling it to do just one single thing. Let's do step 1. That's it. We're keeping that whiteboard clean and focused on one small, manageable task. No extra fluff, no confusion. So it gives me a few great names. I pick one I like, and then look what it does next, all on its own. It gives me a progress summary. This is our save point, right here. Now these key decisions are locked in and they're going to be carried forward to the next step. See how that works? It's so clean. It's so focused. And the AI remembers everything important because we are telling it what's important after every single step. By breaking it down, we keep that whiteboard fresh for every new task. No more changing eye colors or forgotten budgets. So that's pretty much the whole method. It's a really simple shift in how you work, but it makes a massive difference. Now, let's just do a quick recap so you can start building your own big project, like tonight. Okay, so the main thing is this. Sprint small. Break your huge goals into tiny bite-sized steps. Always save your progress with summaries after every single step. Make those save points. If things get messy, just use that handover command and move to a clean chat. And most importantly, you have to remember, you are the project manager. Your job is to guide the AI, not let it run wild.
Look, you can keep fighting the AI's tiny whiteboard and getting frustrated when it messes up, or you can start using that limitation to your advantage and keep your projects clean, focused, and actually powerful.
So I've just got one question for you. That project you've been putting off because it seemed way too complicated, you know, that blog, that story, that business plan, what are you going to build first? Give this project sprint method a try. I think you'll be amazed at what you can create.